If you're staring at a blank page and you need a concept fast, this is the quickest way to turn an architectural idea into something that you can react to. Let's generate an image from a text prompt. In the top left, select New Chat, click Create Image, click ChatGPT in the top left, and select Thinking. I'm going to leave it in extended thinking mode. After clicking Image, you'll notice that a ratio icon pops up in the prompt bar. This is where you select the ratio for your image. I'm going to turn mine into a 16:9 widescreen image. Right now in ChatGPT, this is the best way to select your ratio. If you type it in the prompt, it's not always reliable, and the output image will probably be in a ratio that you didn't want. Copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below. Go ahead and fill in all the brackets. For the project type, I did community center. The architecture style is modern. The material palette is wood, glass, white steel, cross-laminated timber, board-formed concrete, white perforated architectural paneling. In the aesthetic or style, I want Zaha Hadid style architecture. For the drawing type, I did photorealistic architectural rendering. The environment is going to be an urban setting, and for the lighting, I want a bright sunny day. The other information that I want to add to this prompt is that I want pedestrians enjoying the weather and God rays shooting through the clouds. ChatGPT isn't always reliable at spitting out a 2K image, so sometimes you have to go back in and refine it, but it is good to go ahead and put it in the prompt. When you're ready, go ahead and click Send or press Enter. This was the output image from ChatGPT. You can see there's a lot of striations or AI hallucinations running up and down through this image. It gives it a weird wavy texture, but fortunately for us, this is an easy fix. All you have to do is rerun the prompt. I'm going to close out of this image, hover over your prompt, select Edit Message, and click Send. If you like your image, I'd recommend going ahead and select Like this image. And then to download it, let's click the send icon here on top of the image. A pop-up will come up, and then from here you can download your image. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. If you want to support the channel further, check out the Patreon. It's linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.